Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert map chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it by follow some few steps. So firstly you need to click on insert, and once more you can firstly select this area. You need to insert it like this text. Select your text and click on insert, and this option, just click on it, this chart, and more pie charts, just click on it, and here you will see this so many charts will be there. You need to simply click on map. In this list you find this map, so just click on it and click on OK. So very easily you can insert it like this way. You can insert and you can customize it and very easily, like style, color, or more this data apps or chart title and more. You can customize it, so this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video.